Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to build automated email sequences in ActiveCampaign, a powerful platform for email marketing and automation. If you're looking to streamline communication with your audience, this guide will help you set up automated workflows step by step. Let's get started. Create a new automation. Log in to your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the Automations tab. Click Create an Automation and choose from the pre-built templates or start from scratch. Set a trigger. Select a trigger to start your automation, such as subscribes to a list or opens an email. Customize the trigger settings to fit your campaign goals. Add actions. Define the steps of your sequence by adding actions like sending emails, waiting for a specific time, or adding tags to contacts. For each action, you can specify conditions to tailor the workflow to individual behavior. Design your emails. Use the built-in email editor to craft engaging messages. Add personalization, images, and call-to-action buttons to make your emails stand out. Test and activate your automation. Before going live, test your automation to ensure everything flows correctly. Once satisfied, activate the sequence, and ActiveCampaign will handle the rest automatically. Building automated email sequences can save time and enhance your engagement with customers. Have you tried creating automations in ActiveCampaign? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.